So today I am putting to the test this egg and coconut oil hair mask that's been trending on the internet for the past couple of years, and it's supposed to promote hair growth after just one use. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayla and welcome. Okay, so we are testing out this popular egg and coconut oil hair mask today. And not only is it supposed to promote hair growth, but it's also supposed to make your hair just more shinier and healthier overall. And the kicker is, like I said, it's supposed to work within just one use. So naturally my hair is very coarse, it gets frizzy very easily, and whenever I let it air dry, it has like a natural wave to it. And the thing is I really wanted to test this mask out right now because next week I'm going to the salon, and sometimes when I go to the salon I do get like a heavy conditioner put on it just to make it shine a little bit more, and that's why I'm doing this video right now, because I really wanted to give it the true raw results of this hair mask. And I haven't had a trim in like 12 weeks, which I know is horrible, so I do have a little bit of split ends going on. The ends are very dry right now, my hair is kind of dull right now, and so yeah, like I said, I figured this would be the perfect time to really put this hair mask to the test. So I know most people use this hair mask to promote hair growth, but to be honest, the main reason I wanted to test it, well, for one, I wanted to test it for you guys to see if it's even worth trying, but I really wanted to see if it makes my hair more shinier and just healthier overall. And if it grows in the process, then I'm definitely not complaining. Okay, so I am gonna list the recipe and the directions for this hair mask in the description box below in case you wanna give it a try, but without further ado, let's get started. So to see if this hair mask really promotes hair growth after just one use, I went ahead and marked a white t-shirt with some red tape, and when I'm done, I'm gonna come back, put this same t-shirt on, and see if there was any hair growth. And plus, I just wanted to do a before and after to really see if there was more shine to my hair, and just to see if my hair was healthier overall. So the first step is to make the egg mixture. In a measuring cup, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil. Now I have seen others use olive oil, so I'm not sure if that makes a big difference or not. And then I'm gonna add 3 eggs. The original recipe calls for 2 eggs, but because I have a lot of hair, I'm gonna go ahead and use 3, and it actually ended up working out to be the perfect amount. So if you do have a lot of hair, go ahead and add 3. And I'm just gonna mix that up. Now, the idea behind using eggs in your hair is, for one, it's rich in protein, which is what your hair is mostly made out of. Also, the yolk contains a lot of vitamins and minerals, which help to nourish your hair, specifically biotin, which is a B vitamin that is essential for healthy hair, and some even believe that biotin can help to stimulate hair growth. Eggs also contain sulfur, which can assist in both strengthening the hair follicles and cleansing the scalp. So now I'm going to apply the egg mask, and I'm just going to lean over my bathtub and pour it right in. A lot of it will fall into the tub, so just make sure to scoop it up with your hands and work it back into your hair. You definitely want to make sure that you're wearing an old t-shirt for this, because some of it will get on your shirt. And you really just want to massage that egg mixture into your scalp and make sure it's worked all the way through your hair, all the way to the ends. Then I'm just going to put my hair up in a bun. Now I have seen some wrap their hair in saran wrap, but for me, I'm just going to do a bun. So while I'm waiting, I figured I'd go ahead and pamper myself a little bit more with one of my favorite mud masks. Gotta keep those pores tight. Okay y'all, so I'm supposed to leave this in for an hour. It's already been about 15 minutes and my hair's starting to get really stiff and it's kind of squeaky sounding. Sounds really weird. Anyway, so we're gonna leave this in for an hour and then I'm gonna show you the next step. And by the way, I have my mud mask on from Fleur de Vie. It's one of my favorite mud masks. I use it all the time to help shrink my pores because I have oily skin. So I think I have a 10 or 15% off coupon for that, by the way. So if you wanna try it, I'll leave that code for y'all below. Be back in a little bit. Okay, so after keeping the egg mask in for an hour, I'm just gonna rinse it out. Now, I'm not gonna use any shampoo or conditioner because we do still have to do the coconut oil mask, but the main thing is just to make sure that all of the egg is completely rinsed out. Now, for the coconut oil mask, I'm gonna add 2 large scoops of coconut oil to a measuring cup, and I'm just gonna melt it. And this is supposed to be what helps to condition your hair and to really add that shine. And the same exact way I applied the egg mask over the bathtub, I'm going to do this one the same way. You really want to make sure that you coat the ends of the hair with the coconut oil and really massage it into the scalp. I also want to mention that you'll definitely need to clean your bathtub with soap after this, so that way you're not slipping and sliding all around your bathtub. Now for the coconut oil mask, I only let it sit on my hair for an hour. Now some say that you need to leave it in overnight, but I honestly just couldn't do that because tomorrow morning I have to get up early for an appointment. So we're going to see if an hour is long enough to see some actual results. And after an hour, I'm just going to rinse the coconut oil out. And this time I did go ahead and use a shampoo and conditioner on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and dry and straighten my hair as well, the exact same way I did in the before shot, so that way we can see if this mask really worked. And here is the reveal. Now I really don't think my hair grew, but to be honest, I wasn't expecting it to, even though that's what the hair mask is promoted as. But what I can say is that the texture of my hair was definitely softer, which is a huge benefit for me since my hair is so coarse and it dries out really easily. The ends of my hair do look a little bit more healthy, but of course it's still time for a trim. As far as the shine goes, I think if I would have left the coconut oil in overnight, it would probably be a little bit more shiny, but I do feel like it helped the dullness a little bit. I mean, it does look a little bit more shiny. What do you guys think? All in all, I was impressed with how soft it made my hair, but I think it's a little bit of a stretch to say that your hair is going to grow after just one use. This is one of those things that the more you do it, the healthier your hair gets. So would I do it again? Absolutely, just based on the fact that it made my hair so soft. Okay, y'all, that is it for today's video. If you enjoy me testing things out like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you have a hair mask that you use that really helps to make your hair shinier and just healthier overall. Of course, if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. We would love for you to join the family. And if you're a loyal subscriber, don't forget to hit that little bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And that's it for today. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.